What's up everyone? It's me, your Shudi Tree, John Valencia. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries, a mega love shot mga ka-Jeromantics. We are back for another Jerome Ebardome reaction, and this is for his performance in Paddy's Point, San Pedro, which is yung concert nila, no? Yung King for a Day. At ito nga ang kanyang kinanta ay The Girl of My Best Friend. Is this an Elvis hit, guys? You can comment down below. This is the first time na mapapakinggan natin ang The Girl of My Best Friend na pinerform ni Jerome. And of course, hindi ko mahanap yung meron kayong nire-request about sa duet nila ng tatay niya. So, kung meron po kayong link, i-comment down below ninyo para naman mapanood natin at ma-reacta natin dito sa True Asia Diaries. And of course, I'm so excited to check this out. But before I proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Whoa. Oh, it's an Elvis hit. Ay, grabe ang usok sa stage. Whoa, I love yung parang nasal low tone na Elvis vibe. Grabe. Parang ngayon ko lang narinig si Jerome na nagganon siya ng buong buo, no? Grabe, love it. Saka yung small step nila yan, no? Ganda ng soft tone ng Elvis niya talaga. Eh, ang daming tao. Shot pa! Tingnan mo ang mga mami sumasayaw. Diba? I love that no one says na low tone, na soft tone. Grabe. Ayun, King of the Day. Father Music Legacy. Diba? Grabe mga nagsasayawang mga ka-Jeromantics. Kung nandyan kayo at nanonood kayo nung araw na yan, comment down below, how was the experience, guys, watching Jerome perform live, diba? I-comment niyo yan at i-share niyo sa amin ang inyong experience. Diba? Enjoy mga mamis, oh? Saka yung sayo ni Jerome na yun, pag Elvis talaga siya, yung kembot na eh. Diba, ang sultry at ang sweet ng vocal. Ganda nung dynamics na yun. Naka-styling. Diba? Diba? The soft tone is so Elvis. Grabe. Balikan nga natin yung part na yun, guys. Maririnig nyo yung how he's styling it in a way that very Elvis and true to the Elvis vocal. Iba yung placement. Love it. Basta ganyan pa yung sasayawan pa kayo ni Jerome na ganyan. Diba? Love that soft tone. Eh. Nakanta na ba ito ni Jerome dati, guys? Eh, oh my gosh, love it. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome performing The Girl of My Best Friend sa The King of the Day concert niya sa Paddy's Point, San Pedro. Oh my God, I love that sultry soft tone. Tapos, give niya talaga yung styling ng Elvis na soft tone, low tone. Grabe, ang ganda at ang smooth ng placement ng vocal plus those dance move. Nakita niyo naman, sobrang enjoy ang mga ka-Jeromantics natin, especially ang mga mommies, no? Talagang iba yung feels and happiness nila watching Jerome. So, yung mga mommies natin dyan na nakanood, ang mga ka-Jeromantic, share your experience. How was it watching Jerome performing live in an Elvis vocal? I hope that he can go to Malaysia and also perform. I want to see him perform live. Or if I'll visit the Philippines, guys, definitely I will watch Jerome perform. And of course, what is about that performance, you can comment down below. At yung performance niya pa with his dad, guys, kasi nareacta natin yung leader of the band, pero may isa pa eh. So, i-comment nyo yan, yung link, guys. Baka meron kayong link ng video. Share it with me para po ma-reacta natin. Thank you so much in advance. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shoelace Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.